Mechanical watches are nothing short of masterpieces, ingenious devices that don't require a single battery, microchip, or circuit. Instead, they rely on centuries-old craftsmanship and tiny, precisely engineered components working together in perfect harmony. Behind the ticking hands lies an extraordinary story of gears, springs, and rhythm. Today, we're taking you on a fascinating journey to discover how these timeless treasures keep us connected to every passing second. Here's a quick breakdown of how a mechanical watch works. Power is generated and stored in a coiled mainspring, known as the heart of the watch. This energy travels through a system of gears and regulates its release through the escapement mechanism. The escapement drives the hands on the watch face, allowing them to keep time with astounding accuracy, often within just 2 to 3 seconds per day. The crown, this small but mighty knob, is the connection between you and your watch's inner mechanics. When you push the crown and wind it, you're delivering energy to the mainspring through a set of intricate gears. Pulling the crown allows you to set the time by shifting the gears responsible for moving the clock hands. It's the simple twist of the crown that ensures your timepiece keeps ticking. The mainspring is a long, coiled strip of metal housed in a barrel. It stores the energy needed to power the entire watch. This consistent release of energy allows the watch to run smoothly and accurately for hours, or even days. A ratchet wheel keeps the spring from unwinding too quickly, ensuring a steady release of power over time. From the mainspring, energy flows through the wheel train, a series of finely crafted gears that move the watch hands. The center wheel turns once per hour and powers the minute hand. The third wheel transfers energy further down the line, while the fourth wheel rotates once per minute and drives the seconds hand. To ensure precision, each wheel's axle rests in jewel bearings, reducing friction and helping your watch last for generations. The motion work is composed of the minute and the hour wheel. The escapement is where the magic happens. It works hand in hand with the balance wheel to regulate the release of energy stored in the mainspring. The escape wheel and pallet fork measure out energy in small, controlled increments. Meanwhile, the balance wheel swings back and forth, driving the rhythm that defines the watch's tick-tick-tick. The hairspring attached to the balance wheel keeps it oscillating in steady, reliable beats. This frequency determines the precision of your watch. That iconic ticking sound? It's the escape wheel teeth catching and releasing as they pass through the pallet fork, each movement measured to perfection. All of these intricate components are held in place by a supporting structure, a series of robust metal plates and bridges. The main plate forms the foundation, while the barrel bridge secures the mainspring barrel. Specialized bridges accommodate the wheel train, pallet fork, and balance wheel, keeping every critical part fixed, aligned, and protected. And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible craftsmanship and engineering that brings a mechanical watch to life. These miniature marvels are more than just timekeepers. They're a testament to human ingenuity and passion for precision. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a curious enthusiast, Every tick of a mechanical watch holds a story waiting to be told. Appreciate the craftsmanship, celebrate the precision, honor the legacy. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Leave a comment below. What's your favorite part of a mechanical watch? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.